Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this air purifier air disinfection machine. We're gonna open this thing up and I'll show you guys what it is. If I can open it here with my nails, yes. Okay, and it gets kind of musty and yucky. I'm in an apartment and I got a dog. She sometimes goes outside on the patio and gets herself wet and musty and gross and whatever. So I'm like, hey, you know what? Maybe we'll need something to clean up the air a little in here. So let's give this thing a try. And we have different levels of modes and protection things here. I'll show you guys what this thing looks like. And this is it here, so let's open it up. Now it looks like a nice little device here, and you can see it's got all this the ozone, different settings and stuff. Let me show you guys what it'll do here on the manual. So it does put out some ozone. So I think, usually I would want to do this thing when I'm not in the room. I'd probably set it when I leave or something like that. So yeah, I mean, here you can just kind of see the information on it in here. So it does kind of create some ozone and different levels of it, I guess, depending on how strong of an odor you have. I mean, right now my place doesn't smell bad at all. But basically it tells you to turn it on and push the right buttons for it to make it go. Let's just look at what it looks like when it's on. So I'll plug this thing in here so we can at least see, get a little look-see of what it's gonna do with all the lights and stuff. I'm sure you guys aren't gonna be able to tell the difference through the video of what it's gonna do. You'll have to trust me. Okay, are we gonna be able to get close enough? Okay, so that's what it looks like when it's there. The on button is there. We can see our different levels here, like P1, P3. And so we would just kind of do that. So we would set it and it's gonna do whatever it does. Doesn't really have much noise. I hear a slight little fan in there, but boy, that's quiet. I mean, you guys probably can't even hear it. But yeah, so it does that and it just sits there doing what it does. And then we have the modes. So different things depending on how long we want it to take and how long it's gonna go and what it's gonna do. So pretty cool. And it's by Morrerfresh. So it's got a lot of letters on it. And so it'll just hang up. Either you can just put a nail in the wall. It even comes with this sticker thing here. So you can stick it to a wall and then hang it up onto that little nub. So lots of easy ways to do it. Boy, it's in there now. Oh, there we go. So pretty cool. I like this. It's an air disinfecting machine. I keep pushing all the buttons when I'm turning it around. I like it. Thumbs up.